In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Microsoft Forms in just 5 minutes. Backing up important files is like insurance for your digital life. It's something you hope you never need, but you'll be relieved to have when the need arises. Today, we're focusing on Microsoft Forms, a versatile tool used for surveys, quizzes, and polls. Whether you're safeguarding your data against accidental deletions or simply want to duplicate a form for another project, this guide is here for you. First, let's navigate to Microsoft Forms. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address to Microsoft Forms. This will take you to the main landing page. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a Sign In button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Microsoft will then ask you to enter your email address. Make sure you key in the email associated with your Microsoft account, the one you use for all things Microsoft. After entering your email, click Next. You're doing great! Now it's time to enter your password. This is the key to your Microsoft account, so type it in carefully. Once you've entered your password, click on Next again. I always find it reassuring when I pass this step. Feels like crossing an important threshold. Once you're signed in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Forms dashboard. This is where all your created forms live. If you're like me, seeing all your work laid out like this can be quite satisfying. Now find the form you want to back up. It might be a recent form you're still gathering responses for, or maybe it's an old survey you ran last year. Regardless, once you've found it, click on it to select. With your form selected, look for the 3-dot icon, often found at the top right corner of the form. This little icon is the gateway to many additional features. Clicking on it will bring up a menu, and from here you want to select Collaborate or Duplicate. Now for the most crucial part, clicking on Share as a Template. What this does is, it duplicates the form with all its questions and settings intact, but without the previous responses. It's like getting a clean slate while keeping the original design. You then get a link that lets you access this template. I recommend you copy this link and store it somewhere safe. You can rename this duplicated form for better organization and refer to it as your backup. And there you have it. You've successfully created a backup of your Microsoft Forms. Now you might be thinking, is that it? Yes, it really is that simple. Microsoft Forms is designed to be user-friendly, and once you know your way around, tasks like backing up your forms are a breeze. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. 1. Regularly back up your forms, especially if you frequently make changes or updates to them. 2. Store your backup links in a secure, easily accessible location. You never know when you might need to access them. 3. Consider sharing the backup link with a colleague or saving it in a shared space if the form is crucial to your team or project. This ensures that more than one person has access to the backup in case it's needed. Backing up your Microsoft Forms might seem like a small task, but it plays a significant role in data management and security. By following the steps we've just covered, you can ensure that your forms and all the hard work that went into creating them are securely stored for future access. Thank you for joining me today. Keeping your digital assets safe is easier than you think, and I hope this guide has shown you just that. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of Microsoft's suite of tools. Happy form creating!